Welcome to Coder Tech with RossKote. This new segment features questions from listeners. Make some green by learning something new. RossKote answers today's question. Will a clear coat bond to a top coat if it's already been fully cured? Let's hear what he has to say.
All right, we got a hot flock question from Robert Berger. Hello, I listened to your podcast about hot flocking, and I have a question. Currently, I was working on a set for my personal vehicle, finally, and got distracted, don't we all, and brought the top coat to full cure. They also need a clear coat. Okay, gotcha. I could strip them, start over, but was wondering if I hot flocked the clear, it would be bonded properly to the previous layer. This is the first time I screwed this up, and I don't want to cut corners. I just want to know durability will end up being. Thanks for your time. Have a great day. Okay. So, this is like a weird area because a lot of these guys say you can't do that. I do it all the time though, and I never have had a problem. So my answer to you is yes, put the top coat on, you'll be fine. Now, the only issues I've seen are if your oven is electric or if you've got a gas oven and you're putting your caliper right next to the heat source where the heat is coming in. And if it's been too hot, it could be weakened and it could also flake. I have seen that happen. It actually will yellow. I've seen that happen. So if you see your stuff starting to turn yellow, you probably want to start over. But you know, this conception of, oh, you gotta just partially cure it and then do your final cure at full temperature or it's gonna become brittle and break. That's totally, I don't know who came up with that, but every time you cook it, the powder gets soft and it rebonds. So it's one of those fallacies that are out there. And a good example of this is when you do chrome for your base coat. What does it say on the directions? Bring to full temperature and cook for 20 minutes. And then what do? Well, you put a clear coat over it at full temperature for 20 minutes. So you're cooking it twice by those standards right there. So cooking it one more time is not gonna hurt it. Go for it. Best of luck to you. Let us know how it turns out.
Submit your questions to info@mauipowderworks.com.